Vivo confirmed that the Vivo X300 series will launch on October 13th in China. The brand has released official images to confirm the design and color options of the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. And now Vivo X300 Pro hands-on first look leaks. Vivo X300 Pro will be offered in Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue and Pure Black. The X300 Pro features a slim 7.99mm profile and a 6.78-inch flat display with a metal frame designed for a sharper edge feel. The X300 series will be the first to debut MediaTek's new Dimensity 9500 chip. It will also feature the Blueprint V3 Plus imaging chip, Origin OS 6. It will also pack dual UFS 4.1 storage. Both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender, the same accessory first introduced on the X200 Ultra. X300 Pro carries a Sony LYT-828 main sensor offering 50 megapixels paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and 85mm 200 megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto. The Vivo X300 Pro will have a large 7000 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.